Yo, welcome back, legends! Today we're building a full to-do list app in C++ from scratch. This is project number 1 out of my 100 projects challenge, so make sure you smash that like button and follow the journey. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a simple app using OOP, add, complete, delete tasks. Practice vectors, structs, classes, functions, loops, all the juicy C++ stuff. Alright, grab your energy drink, open VS Code, and let's start coding. Alright, starting off, we include the headers we need. Iostrium for input-output, vector for dynamic arrays, and string to store text. Then I'm doing this, stdc out cin and string. This just saves me from typing stdc out, and stdc in all the time. Now let's create the blueprint for a single task. Each task has a description and a completed status. Now we're going to build the main methods inside our to-do list class, like adding tasks, displaying them, completing and deleting tasks. Now let's build the interactive menu. Inside the menu method, I use a while loop. This keeps showing the menu until the user presses 6 to quit. Every menu option calls a specific method. 1. Add task. 2. Display tasks. 3. Complete a task. 4. Delete a task. 5. Clear all. 6. Quit. The switch case handles everything cleanly. Switch cases are great when you have fixed options, much cleaner than stacking 10 if statements. Now let's quickly break down what each method does. And while coding, you can show real output if possible. Add task. Ask the user to type a task, saves it to the list. Display shows all current tasks and their completed status. Complete task lets the user pick a task and mark it done. Delete task, remove a task by its number. Clear all tasks, deletes all tasks and resets the list. Simple, clean, powerful. And boom, you've just built your own CLI to-do list manager in C++. This is only project 1 out of 100. We're just getting started, so if you want to learn real-world coding, smash that subscribe button and join the journey. More projects, more skills, less boring tutorials. Stay coding. Stay legend.